Hello everyone, if you want to convert a PDF into an Excel spreadsheet using Adobe Acrobat, follow these steps. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer, and when the application opens, you can just move the cursor towards the create option given at the top of the screen, where you can just create a PDF or open the PDF files. But if you don't want to use both of them, you can just scroll down, and within the recent sections, you can see the list of the prior files that you have created. Simply tap on any one of the PDF files, and once the PDF files open within the application, and at the left panel you can see different options within the all tools section. From the options, tap on export a PDF, and in the export window you will see multiple file formats. Please make sure to select the Microsoft Excel as your output format. After selecting Excel, click convert, and it is important to note that the feature is only available for the Adobe Acrobat subscription accounts like Acrobat Pro, so the free reader accounts cannot convert PDFs to Excel. But if you have already subscribed, and when you tap on convert, the Acrobat will process your PDF and convert it into an Excel file. And once the conversion is completed, a save as window will appear. Then make sure to choose the folder where you want to save the file while giving it name, and then click save. Now your PDF has been successfully converted into an Excel spreadsheet, which is ready for editing in Microsoft's Excel. And that's it. With a subscription account, converting PDFs to Excel is quick and easy in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.